Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a video. So you know that some of you have problems getting like subscribers and views, like me. So the only thing that you need to do is download tubebuddy. So this is the way on how to do it. You go on the Microsoft Edge or whatever, then you type in Chrome Web Store. And press on the one that you need. Not. Then there will be like a search bar here. You just type tubebuddy for YouTube. Will come up here. Press on this one. There would be a button here, but since I already have it, you see up here, it's not gonna show. At least that's what happened to me. So then you just download it and like you just press it to press the download button or the extraction button. It will say they wanna apply it. Press OK. Then go on your YouTube. It's gonna be up here. So then when you press here, it will give you all of these videos, live stream, dashboard, all of these. Okay, so one of the most important one is keyboard explorer. So press on that and it will say what is trending right now. So just imagine you want Portugal versus Germany. That's gonna be 2,000 plus searches. Maybe anything that is like trending, you just type up here. And the thing that you can do too is type like not a sentence, like the title of your channel, but like tube. I'm gonna try it both ways. tubebuddy. When I do that, it's gonna come up here. There's gonna be weighted and unweighted. If you wanted to waste like $30 something, the unweighted will be available, but if you the free version, it will be unweighted. I think that's like the important one because I just like downloaded it like a few days ago or so. So then since this is gonna be the title of the video, how to how to install tubebuddy. Buddy. I'll usually tell you if it's excellent, not excellent. Okay, it's poor. How about if we change the title a little bit and have it named download. Okay, it's fair. So I think it's better if you type what you're gonna do. So maybe since this is kind of like a gaming channel, how to download Fortnite. It will come up if it's good or not. Spore. So that's how this works. Well, I didn't use the other options yet because I just downloaded it. So like, don't blame me. But like, um, it's pretty much like a title and like a thing that's trending up kind of thing. So like, if you guys want to do that, like, this is gonna be like kind of good. Like, is it gonna be good for you guys to like download these, like the tubebuddy app, and hopefully I get sponsored by them because I really want to. It would be good because like, first of all, I'm not even lying or something. I'm not lying at all. But like, the past few days I use it. It's like one of the best. So like, hopefully they sponsored this video, and yeah, hopefully they sponsor it, and I'll end the video right now, guys. So peace.